All right, happy homeowner. Brian Adams here, doing a follow-up video. It's about 10:30. We got started at 8. Remember the video earlier? This is the original floor. Maple, hand distressed, has that waviness in it. So we're going to sand that out. We're halfway through, but here's the difference. Look at that. Boom. Beautiful. Look how this just changes the entire room. The entire house, really. So it's not going to have that waviness anymore. It's going to end up being pretty much this color because we're using that louver finish.
Yeah.
And you can see here, this is we've hit this with the rough sandpaper, but not the medium. So we still got the low areas. That'll all be gone. This room's close to being ready. But a couple of companies come over here and said it couldn't be refinished. You have to demo and take it out, which means you got to take off all the baseboards, and now they get the floor that they want, the color they want, and it'll be better than any floor you can buy pre-finished because it's on site finished. All right, see you next time.